And finally, the reason for your protection. The mask of deception.
Ugh. A face only a mother could love.
The three only masks are relics from the first realm, and they wield tremendous power. The power to deceive. The power of vengeance. The power to hate.
What happens when they're united?
You cannot let that happen.
Tell me, what happens when the three masks are united?
They will have the power to bring back your father.
The Sons of Garmadon, a mysterious criminal syndicate growing in prominence in Ninjago City.
What a beautiful night for a little mayhem!
Who likes ice cream? I do!
I'll see you, ninja!
I don't know who's in charge, but he is known as the Quiet One. Master Lloyd has spotted something of interest.
Green is her favorite color.
I present to you the exalted Emperor and Empress and their daughter, Princess Harumi.
I was trying to save you.
Was that what that was? From my vantage, it looked like I was the one saving you. We have to live up to a role that was bestowed upon us. We never chose these mantles we hold.
I know. It's hard to live a normal life. At least I get to wear a mask. Princess?
Please. Call me Rumi.
If you know it's good for you, stay away from her.
We have to get the royal family out of here!
We need to get you out of here.
Get on! You're with us now, and we'll make sure to find out who's behind all this. They are not going to get away.